In this video, I will tell you how you can create 3D clips for your videos. For the resources, I will be using Nano Banana and Pixverse AI, and these are only two tools. Let's begin the video. First of all, open the Nano Banana for create a 3D image of character, and it will create an image of 3D character. The Nano Banana gave me the image like this, but if you have any reference image, you can also convert it to 3D. Like I am selecting this image, to 3D image. Now the Nano Banana have converted this image to 3D image. If you have any reference image, you directly can convert it to 3D image. And after that, go to Pixverse. Then open the Pixverse AI. So if you register here for first time, it will give you 90 credits for free, and I guess 20 credits for daily limit. Don't give you one clip daily. Means you can create your one video of 5 seconds daily. Like here I am selecting an image like this. Then tell him what to do with the image. Like I want to make my character doing typing. So it is the video which is generated by the Pixverse AI. Like this is the video of 5 seconds.